Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. So I'm inside Kroger and I want to see if they have some challah bread. And I'm going to get my organic bananas. I don't normally record while I'm out and about, but hi, how are you? Good. But I am doing so today. So here are my bananas. Let's see. I don't want them too ripe. Probably put them in the freezer anyway. These look pretty good. Go ahead and get these. And now look for my challah bread. I hope they have some. I don't know if they have a vegan version, but challah bread's not vegan. I'm pretty sure it has eggs in it. Let's see. I guess you might want to see the selection, huh? I hope you can hear the music in the background. They jamming back there in the back. Okay, so I think I made 2 of my veggie burgers and it came in a pack of 6. So I need at least 4 buns maybe. 'Cause I don't see any challah bread. Hello. Let me go back around. So I see ciabatta bread. I just knew Kroger though would have some challah bread. Keto. Yeah, they have ciabatta bread. Okay, they even have some Hawaiian keto bread. Wow. I don't need a whole loaf of bread though. Well, I guess if I got the challah bread, well, the challah bread, you know what? Maybe I should look in the bakery section. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I wasn't thinking. So, in the meantime, I'm going to get that's 8 buns. I would want 8 buns. Buns. I guess I have to get 8. That's how they come for the most part. I mean, I could put the rest in the freezer, but okay. They have these. The gourmet wheat brioche hamburger buns, and there's only 4. So we'll grab these for right now. And then we'll go to the bakery section and see if we can find some challah bread. Well, this is interesting. Give you a little $8.99 lunch. Buy a few of those. You can eat gourmet at lunchtime. those who eat that. Okay. I'm gonna cut through this aisle. Oh my goodness, the intercom system is so loud. I hope you can't hear that. I have to wait till I pray. But oh, somebody left some flowers here. Roses.
Now's the time to save on a great selection of household items. Right now, you can get $10 off when you buy $22.
You're welcome, sir. I like to respect my elders. Hello, how are you? Good, good, thank you. Okay. That's the 50% off rack. That's the stuff they didn't sell. All right, let's look for brioche. Let's see, what's this? I'm not brioche. Now I got brioche on my brain. Those are 4 brioche buns, but I want challah bread. That's what I'm looking for, challah bread. They have baguette bagels. I thought they were called bialys. They have brioche bagels, banana bread, zucchini bread. I know it's not vegan though. Yeah, no, it has eggs in it. Bad enough I'm gonna do the challah bread if I can find some. They have, oh look at the Hawaiian rolls. They have a better variety now. Who knew? All right. They even have little cornbread. I still don't see any brioche. A lot of keep seeing brioche because I got brioche on the brain. I have onion rolls. No challah bread. Don't see any challah bread. Nope, no challah bread. I have to get these Cheesecake Factory buns. Unless I got to get the brioche burger buns. Yeah, I guess a brioche bun is more like challah bread than those wheat buns would be for a Cheesecake Factory. So that's what I'm getting. I thank you for shopping with me. I'm going to go and check out now. Love y'all. Later.